Hey everybody, thanks for coming to this week's video blog where we truly appreciate your viewership here at the California Realty Training YouTube channel. Glad you made it because today we're going to talk about three terms that I want you to know when you're dealing with the buyer. Let's dive deep, make sure you understand how this works, man. You ready? Let's rock. All right, so you got your license and you're ready to rock and roll, man. But you got a buyer, you have a buyer who is excited to find that dream house, and your job, man, you got pressure. Your job is to find that dream house, but you're okay with that, man, because at the end of the rainbow, at the end of the day, you're gonna acquire their property, the property they want, and you're gonna earn yourself a damn good commission. You're gonna make a living in this beautiful, beautiful field we call real estate with a beautiful career. But let's discuss what you need to know. What you need to know when you're diving into your research for these properties that your buyer is hoping to God you find them. Before we go there, I want you to like the video. I want you to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You got it? Good. And last but not least, go ahead and hit that bell icon. Hit that bell icon. Ready? All right, this is the deal. You got a buyer who's excited. And they're saying, Rico, find me my dream house. I want a 3-bedroom house with 2 baths near the beach under $2 million. Wow, your job is to go ahead and find that. You'll be an exceptional realtor if you find that exact property. So the first thing I want you to do is to go where? Where are you gonna go to find this beautiful, beautiful inventory for them? You wanna show them some houses, and you don't just wanna show them 1, 2, 3, you wanna show them a handful. You wanna give them options. So where are you gonna go to find this inventory? Where are you going to begin your search? Now you already know the answer to that. The answer to that is the MLS. So you go to the MLS. You're gonna go to the MLS, the multiple listing service. Remember that? The multiple listing service. And you're gonna type in all the criteria that they asked for. 3-bedroom, 2 bath, under $2 million, near the ocean. Wow, what a dream house, man. And you're gonna go ahead and plug that into the MLS and you're gonna push enter. And when you push enter, these properties are gonna come up. And some of them are gonna be active, some of them are going to be pending, and some of them are going to be sold. Now your job, of course, is to find the one that they are eligible for, that these properties are available to them. Ready? Let's start off with active. Now the properties that you just found that fit their criteria and are active, that's a great day. That's a beautiful day. That's the best day for you, and that's the best day for your client when it comes to searching for that special property. Now, why is that so beautiful? Because active, that term active in real estate, ladies and gentlemen, that means that property is available. Wow, beautiful. Now, active means come get me. Active means come check me out. Active means come make an offer on me if you like me. Active is like a person who is not taken, a single person, and they're saying, I'm here, whoever wants to come and get to know me better, come get to know me better. So your job is to go out and make that appointment for your client. Go out and make the appointment to preview the property. It's active. Active means the house is available. There are no offers on it, no interested parties on it. It's available for you to go after it, which is a great day. Now the secret here is to contact the listing agent to confirm that it's still active. Listen to me carefully. The secret here is that although it says active on the MLS, I want you to confirm that it's active with the listing agent, which means you have to pick up the phone and contact the listing agent and say, listen, I have a buyer who's going to be more than likely interested in your listing. I want to confirm that it's active. Now, occasionally, listen to this carefully, occasionally a listing agent will forget. They will forget to change the status of the property from active to pending, meaning it is no longer available. That happens occasionally. So the last thing you want to do is show a property to your client when that property is no longer available. That's disappointment. That's disappointment. And the last thing you want to do is disappoint your client. So be smart. Although you found a listing that fits the criteria on the MLS and it says active, and it's a beautiful day because it says active, confirm, and I'll say it again, confirm by contacting the listing agent and make sure that it's still active. Got it? Good. Let's move on to the next property status. Now, once the property has been given an offer, once the buyer makes an offer on a property and the seller accepts, seller says, yeah, let's have a meeting of the minds. Let's put this contract together. It is now under contract. Buyer has made the offer, seller has accepted the offer. We're good to go. That's open escrow, everybody. It's a good day, open escrow. Now that's called, it's under contract. It has now become pending, which means the buyer involved in the sale of the house has the opportunity, the sole opportunity at that moment to purchase a property. We have active, property is available. We have pending. Property now went into escrow. It's under contract. And then we have sold. We have sold. Now, sold is when the property was at one point active, went into escrow, which is pending. And during that pending period, the buyer had several conditions to meet. They had contingencies to meet. The seller had conditions to meet. They met all of their conditions. All of the contingencies were met. So you run the course. You close the deal. The property has been funded by the lender. The county has recorded the deed. It's over and out. Knockout punch. Poof. It's over. It is officially sold. You got it? Nice and simple. Let's go back. Active. Property is available. Got it? Pending. It's under contract. The buyer and the seller are working on conditions, on things they agreed to. And sold. All those conditions were met. We ran the escrow. The lender funded it. The seller says, let's go ahead and sign up on the deed. It's over and out. It's recorded by the county. Hallelujah. The three statuses when it comes to property and real estate, and that you'll be seeing and noticing on the MLS, which of course will make your job a lot easier when you're doing what? Yeah, researching property and trying to find that golden property for your client. Now listen, Vince Lombardi, great football coach, once said, it takes months to find a customer and seconds to lose them. What does that mean? It means you don't want to disappoint your buyers. You want to make them happy. You don't want to show them a house that's already gone. You don't want to show them a house that's already pending or sold, because that's disappointment. You get them excited and then you rain on their parade. Make them happy by being prepared, doing the right research, knowing what active means, knowing what pending means, and knowing what sold means. You got it? Good. Hey, listen, we have great free classes first week of every month. If you think this would be a great career for you, you'll learn tons and you'll be helping tons of buyers and sellers. Give us a call today. Check out our website. Sign up for the free class. You can't lose. In the meantime, do me one more favor. Like the video. Subscribe to the channel. Last but not least, what? Yeah, hit that bell icon. We'll see you next week.